Alright guys, so we are taking a look at dictionary.com. So if you wanna improve your vocabulary and improve by one word a day, then you should head to dictionary.com and sign up for the newsletter where they'll send you one word every day, so you can check the meaning of that word and some examples, uh, so you'll know how to use it in the sentences, in a paragraph. And you can even click on this speaker button, so you'll get to know how to pronounce it correctly. You'll also see the origin of the word, so where the word came from and the history of it. So they'll give you two examples of how you can use it with some context and the sources as well. Alright, so they'll send you this little word with the uh, definition of it, and you can dig deeper if you want. So you can go to origin or examples. Examples would be better, so you can just check out how it is used with the context, so you can improve your vocabulary that way. And every day you can go ahead and it will just give you the notification that you got an email. You can just go ahead and check the word for the day, and at the end of the day or uh, the next month, probably like around after 5 days of the next month, they'll send you a list of what you learned the month in the last month. So for example, I learned some words in March 2022, so you can go ahead there, click on that link, and it will show you all the words that you learned in that month. You can take multiple choice quiz, flashcards, spelling quiz you can do. And so if you go ahead and click on the multiple choice quiz, uh, you'll get a question. So which word matches the definition below? So the definition is a noun, a clamorous and vigorous attempt to win customers or advance any cause. So they'll give us three choices, so you have to choose, of course, if it's represent, mise en scene, and ballyhoo. So let me see. So you can just try to recall it from your memory if you learned it, or you can just guess it if you don't know it. And I'm gonna just say represent. Alright, so it's actually ballyhoo. Okay, I'll remember that for the next time. Next question. Which word matches the definition below? The definition is a verb, so used with the object. So to inspect, observe, or survey the enemy's strength or position, a region, etc., in order to gain information for military purposes. So is it reconnoiter or sylvan or apparatus? I will say the first one. Alright, I got it right. So moving to the next question. Which word matches the definition below? And you can go ahead and read the definition and choose the word. And it goes on for all the words of that month. And you'll get the results with how many you got right, how many you got wrong. And if you want, you can retake the test and try to get all of them correct. So it's a good way to learn some words through this website if you want to improve your vocabulary. Alright, like the video and subscribe to this channel if you wanna watch more videos like this. See you in the next one.